Let's do the wheel brakes on this 2017 Toyota Rav4. That one is a hybrid vehicle, but it's the same procedure as any other Rav4. Here is the brakes. Looking at it, they put the warp. We're gonna use a 40mm to remove our brake caliper. You can use regular tools like this to do this job. I'll post the link in the comment section below for those things. Let's speed up the process using this electric ratchet. Let's wiggle the caliper. And we're going to compress it using a C-clip like this. I'll post the link for this one too. It's pretty easy. You're just gonna put it inside the caliper piston like this and compress it. Spin it until the caliper is fully inserted. We're inspecting our caliper bracket. Make sure our pins are moving. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is in 17mm. There it is. Let's speed up the process. We're gonna remove our old brake pad and the brake hardware. Let's take them out. Those are old and rusty. We're going to clean the caliper bracket, we grease everything, and install new hardware. You can use a screwdriver to pop them off, but they can be pretty stuck in there. I'm gonna use a wire brush like this to clean up the brake caliper bracket. Much better. Now we're going to grease our caliper pin. There you go. This was the other one. Perfect. We're going to install those hardware kit. They only go in one way. You really can mess that up. Now we're going to remove the old brake rotor. We're gonna use a hammer like this, tap it until you break the rust free off of it, and you will eventually come out. While you're in there, inspect your parking brakes, shoe and springs. Now let's clean the brake, the hub. Use it into like this, or you can use a wire brush. Very good. Here's our new roller. We're going to clean the rust protection off with brake cleaner, or you can use soap and water. Let's flip it. Do the same thing. Here's our caliper bracket. It's ready to go. Let's run the bolt through. Make sure they're tight using a ratchet like this. We're going to install the brake pad, those little clips. The kit came with new ones. We're going to install them. They only go in one way. Pay attention to the orientation. Take a picture of it, if anything. And let's wiggle the brake pads. There you go. You're gonna put the bottom part first, and you're going to push the top part in while you're pushing down the spring while you insert it to the caliper bracket. Same thing for the back brake pads. Good. Let's put our caliper in. I'm gonna put the bolt. It is a 40mm once again. There you go. That's it, guys. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal before test drive. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.